Many ArcGIS organizations enable multi-factor authentication, or MFA, to add an extra layer of security for accounts and sensitive information. MFA requires members to enter verification information from an authenticator app when they sign in with their ArcGIS logins. To enable MFA for your organization, go to the Security settings and find the Multi-Factor Authentication section. First, turn on the toggle button to enable MFA. You are prompted to designate at least 2 administrators to troubleshoot MFA issues if they arise. In ArcGIS Online, recovery codes are enabled by default. These one-time use codes provide second-step verification when members lose access to their Authenticator app or security keys. Once you've enabled MFA, administrators will see an MFA adoption status chart. The chart will update as members set up MFA for their accounts. Now that you've configured MFA for the organization, members can enable it for their ArcGIS accounts. To learn more about this process, visit the video link in the description.